Hello and welcome to Pagbabago Airlines Flight 129 headed for change. We will be flying for 7 hours and will be expected to arrive at 4 o'clock in the afternoon with an altitude of 40,000 feet above the ground. Please take a moment now to make sure your seatbelts are fastened low and tight about your waist. In a moment, we will be turning off the cabin lights to show you some of the places that we'll pass by before arriving at our final destination. As we are headed towards our destination, Taguig will be our first stop. As you can see, Taguig is known to have Water Lily Livelihood Program. It primarily seeks to provide a possible remedy for the uncontrollable infestation of water hyacinths, commonly known as water lilies, in the bed of the Laguna de Bay, which is connected to various rivers and creeks within the local city.
Malawak at mabigat, pero kaya naman uunti-untiin.
Malaki ang pakinabang. Maraming natutulungan.
Peste nga ba? O may nagagawa pang iba?
Mahirap. Tsaka nakaubos na oras. Pero kung gusto mo naman, matatapos mo eh.
After stopping by the eco-friendly city of Taguig, let us now take off to covering Calamity in GMA Camuning, Quezon City, 24 Oras, which is a news show in the Philippines. Let us explore and analyze news reports regarding the Typhoon Butchoy covered by the news program and to find out the hidden messages in the news reports. Bulacan and Quezon City is known to house 3 dams, namely the Angat, Ipo, and La Mesa, which are the sole source of water in Metro Manila. It provides 97% domestic water for 25 million residents, used for irrigation of 28,000 hectares of rice fields in Bulacan and Nueva Ecija, and generates hydropower electricity for the Luzon grid. Let us take a look of its wonders and blunders as we take a trip to the water system.
Walang tubig, walang pagkain. Walang pagkain, walang buhay.
Kung hindi natin protektahan ang watershed, hindi natin protektahan ang dam, hindi natin ma-cater yung needs ng mga Metro Manilans.
Noon at hanggang ngayon ay hindi inaamin nilang may damage ang Angat Dam.
Meron ding pag-aaral na ginawa ang NAPOCOR nung itinayo yung dam noong 1960s, na nung tinayo nila yung dam ay merong fault sa ilalim ng Mintay.
20 years old lang ang lifespan ng isang dam, katulad ng isang large dam na Angat. Ay matanda na ito dahil 44 years old na.
Our next stopover is the magnificent beaches of Calatagan in Batangas. Underneath these beaches are havens of fishes, aquatic plants, and corals. Let us now take a dive and see the conditions of these corals below the waters of Calatagan. Now let us see the community in Sitio Mangahan, Barangay San Roque, Angono, Rizal, wherein we witness a group's campaign for disaster preparedness. It was discovered that the area is vulnerable to landslide and flooding. It contributes as a community hazard, causing detrimental effects to lives and properties in the area.
Nakakatakot talaga kasi ini-imagine namin months na bumigay ang pader, mababaong kami ng buhay.
Takot sobra sa buhay namin.
Ang problema pa isa, pag malakas ang ulan, tapos nagkaroon ng earthquake, doon na.
Our last stopover before arriving at Change is the vast and rich lands of Barangay Luklukan Sur, Jose Panganiban, Camarines Norte. Gold and other minerals are found within the area, in which it provides livelihood to the community. Let us dig some information as we take a tour to the gold-laden land of Camnor.
Walang legal na small scale mining sa barangay. Lahat walang ano.
As we toured several stopovers, our flight attendants will be serving you fresh facts and knowledge to rejuvenate your mind in issues surrounding our flight towards Change. We are near our destination and we're glad to have you with us on board this flight. Thank you for choosing Pagbabago Airlines and giving us your time and participation. If there's anything we can do to make you more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.